LED displays are divided into multiple installation methods, according to different application fields, which can be selected according to actual needs. Common installation methods include wall mounting, hanging, stacking, pole mounting and embed installation. Wall mounting uses a bracket to fix the box on the wall. It supports front maintenance and easy to install. Hanging uses a crane arm to hang the cabinets on a load-bearing top, or use a truss to hang in space. It is mostly used for indoor advertising, guidance signs, and outdoor activities. Stacking is fixed with a steel frame, mostly used for temporary installation on stages and event, to facilitate disassembly and assembly. Pole mounting is used for outdoor advertising. The column is embedded in the foundation, mostly used on roads, parks, and seaside. Embed installation need to reserve space on the wall and embed the cabinets into the wall. The screen and the wall are on the same level, making it more flat. Canbest LED display provide customized steel structure, achieve multiple installation methods. There are also products that can be plug and play, easy and convenient for your business. Canbest, lighting your success on the global stage.